This Chevy Silverado truck looks great on the top and it looks fantastic on the bottom. Now what if I told you that this truck is 12 years old and for its entire lifetime it's been pounding around here in the salt and the ice of New Hampshire. But you don't have to listen to me talking about New Hampshire oil. Listen to one of the customers who's been coming here for years.
I found this one nice and clean, want to keep it like this, and this is a New England truck right from beginning, and I knew this was a place to take it, to start it on this program and keep it going. Happened to work for the state of New Hampshire. We plow and salt the roads. I don't have to do the brine stuff myself because I'm in the secondary roads, but you see it on the highways and stuff when they got to put in the solution. And when you get running your trucks over it and stuff, that actually gets in the little spots a little bit more than your crunchy salt will, so to speak. We just decided to start oiling our trucks. And we were laying on the ground doing it ourselves, and Joe's set up in Deering quite a long time ago in his barn and had the lift and everything. And I said, well, it's a lot better than laying on the ground. And then he just kept moving up from there and got better and better oil. And it's incredible. It's good stuff. Just lasts. And we actually sold some rigs that Joe had oiled for us in the past, and the people were amazed, no rust on it, you know. And they were New England trucks. And it works. Stuff works. They go right to every little nook and cranny. Do a good job with it, and nice facility. I don't know, it's just great. It's top-notch service all the way around.